Introduction to HTML. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard markup language used for creating web pages and applications on the World Wide Web. It provides the structure and content of web pages, defining how the information is organized and presented to users. HTML works in conjunction with other web technologies like CSS, cascading style sheets, and JavaScript to create dynamic and interactive web experiences. Importance in web development. HTML is the backbone of the web. It defines the structure and semantics of web content, allowing web browsers to understand and render the information appropriately. Here are some key reasons why HTML is important in web development. 1. Structure and organization. HTML provides a standardized way to structure and organize content on the web. It allows developers to divide content into paragraphs, headings, lists, tables, and more, making it easier for users to read and navigate. 2. Accessibility. HTML plays a crucial role in creating accessible web content. By using proper semantic tags and attributes, developers can provide meaningful information to assistive technologies like screen readers, ensuring that people with disabilities can access and understand the content. 3. Search engine optimization, SEO. HTML provides the foundation for search engines to index and understand web pages. By using appropriate HTML tags and attributes, developers can optimize the visibility and ranking of their websites in search engine results. 4. Integration with other technologies. HTML works seamlessly with CSS and JavaScript to create visually appealing and interactive web pages. CSS is used to style the HTML elements, while JavaScript adds dynamic behavior and interactivity to the web page. The title of the web page that appears in the browser's title bar or tab. The body section contains the visible content of the web page, including text, images, links, and other elements. Use of tags, elements, and attributes. HTML uses tags, elements, and attributes to structure and define the content of web pages. Here's a brief explanation of each. Tags. Tags are used to define elements in HTML. They are written as opening and closing pairs, enclosing the content they affect. For example, .. is a tag that defines a paragraph element, and .. is a tag for creating links. Elements. Elements are made up of tags and the content they enclose. They represent specific types of content, such as headings, paragraphs, images, lists, etc. For example, .. is an element that represents a top-level heading, and .. is an element for inserting images. Attributes. Attributes provide additional information or modify the behavior of HTML elements. They are added within the opening tag of an element. For example, the href attribute in an tag specifies the destination URL for a link, and the src attribute in an tag defines the source URL of an image. Role of HTML in creating the structure and content of web pages. HTML is responsible for creating the structure and content of web pages. It allows developers to define the hierarchy and arrangement of different elements on a page, such as headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, and more. HTML also enables the inclusion of multimedia elements, such as images, videos, and audio, to enhance the content. By using appropriate HTML tags and attributes, developers can semantically structure the content, making it more accessible, search engine friendly, and maintainable. HTML provides the foundation upon which other web technologies, such as CSS and JavaScript, can be applied to style and add interactivity to the web page, creating a rich user experience.